everyone, and welcome back to Frattini's channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review video of my most recent completed diamond project, the Anime Bride, or as it was entitled on the MEIAN store on AliExpress, Beauty Goddess. This is a 50 by 70 centimetre full round drill diamond painting. This was fantastic to work on. I really had a lot of fun with this. The drills were pretty much, for the most part, probably about 95% of them were all workable drills. I didn't have many trash beads. I had a few, but then that's to be expected with any diamond painting from any seller really. But in general, this was an absolute diamond, no pun intended, diamond painting to work on. Here are the symbols. They were really clear and easy to see. Apart from, if we scroll down to the Q, number 23, and the T and the U, the only problem I had with those three symbols in particular was the fact that it was a light green background as opposed to it looking dark green on the legend. It was a light green background with white print. Now, when I had my light pad on, it was quite difficult to see. So it actually worked better if I took my light pad off. But the only problems I had was with those three symbols really. Everything else was really easy to work with. So these are the symbols. These are pretty standard for MEIAN. If you've ever bought a diamond painting from the MEIAN store before, these are the symbols that I have gotten used to. So I do like the symbols. We did have 4 lots of special drills. We had number 51, which was an AB gem, 52, which was like a pearl shaped gem, and the YX20 and YX26 were pink and turquoise coloured roses. So if I show you quickly around the canvas, and then we can have a look at the special gems. As you can see, it's very, very sparkly. That's one thing that I did notice from the start, that how sparkly the drills were. There was hardly any trash. I threw minimal amounts of out because of trash beads, but for the most part it was no problem at all to work on this diamond painting. It is to be expected that you're going to have some rubbish drills with any diamond painting from any seller, but with the amount of drills that I actually thrown out, there was hardly any. If I try and zoom out so you can see her fully, I can't actually zoom out far enough so you can get the entire picture in this screen, but hopefully you can get a general look at what it looks like. So these are the special gems here. So we've got, these are the AB gems, like in her staff. You can see them sparkling at the top of her staff. There was also like special gems in her hair. I really enjoyed working on her hair. It was like pinks, purples, very pastel coloured. There was lots of AB gems mixed in. And in fact, there was a lot of AB gems mixed in pretty much all over the painting. Here are the pearl shaped drills or gems that we was using. If I can get my camera to focus, if I can keep my hands still enough. And here are one of the roses. And there's 2 of those. There was one on each shoulder. So there's the 2 pink roses on each of her shoulders. And then we've got 2 turquoise shaped roses in her hair. She hasn't got any detail on her face, as you can see. Those 2 black drills there are obviously her eyes. But as you zoom out, you tend to see a little bit more detail the further you zoom out. So she's not really looking at the camera, so I'm not really too fussed that there's minimal detail in her face. But when you look at her dress, how detailed her dress is, and like all the little markings in the pattern of her dress, it's absolutely stunning. There's her bouquet of flowers. And the blue around the edge looks like the archway that she's standing in front of. And the blue section at the top right, I think, is probably the sky. I'm presuming it is. It looks like it is. But this was absolutely fantastic diamond painting to work on. I had so much fun with this. And I think it took me roughly 3 weeks, just under 3 weeks maybe, to complete this. That was pretty much working on it, what, 3 to 4 hours a night. Pretty much every night. Yeah, I think this is going to be on the list of one of my most favourite diamond paintings that I've done so far. This is going to be framed and it's going to go on my wall next to my computer desk. But just look how the drills sparkle. I think it's fantastic. So just to recap, this was from the MEIAN store. It's a 50 by 70 full round drill diamond painting. And I would highly recommend this store if you was looking to buy a painting from them. I would recommend them. So there we go. There's our next, well, our latest project complete. And on to the next. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. There was, sorry, I forgot to add one little thing. There was a lot of leftover drills, which was good. So I've been able to keep them as spares. So if I ever need any, then we've always got a lot of drills to fall back on. I didn't run out of any drills. And like I said earlier in the video, there was hardly any trash drills at all. So that's all good. So that pretty much completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And if you do subscribe, remember to click the little bell. That way you'll get notified exactly when I post a new video or I go live. And I hope to see you all next time for my next video. So take care guys, thank you so much for watching, happy diamond painting, and I shall see you all soon.